guys, so I know I am crazy way behind in shit like this right now, but today we are doing the October Ipsy Glam bag unboxing because I am a lame ass who fell way behind in things, and it is now December, and I'm just getting around to October. I have Novembers. December's will probably be here any day now, so I figure I should probably get on with it and do the thing. So as you can see, in October, I thought this was a one-time deal, that instead of doing the metallic pink bags, that they did this softer, just light pink, and did different branding on it, because they didn't used to do the brand on the packaging. But now they do. I thought it was just for October because Breast Cancer Awareness Month, but November they also used it. And instead of doing the hot pink boxes, they also similarly did the same with the Glam Bag Plus box. I can talk, really, guys. I swears it. So, anyways, that is a thing that apparently they changed. I don't know why, but they did, and it apparently is staying that way. So, luckily I don't mind, but it's just worth noting since I know everybody looked forward to the shiny pink bags and stuff, and I loved the look of them, but, you know, change is inevitable. So October was the Betty Boop themed month, so the back of the bag is really freaking cute. It's black and sequiny. Makes me think of Liza Minnelli. I love it. The front of it is fucking terrifying. Plus, I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I kind of have some issues with Betty Boop because my one uncle that freaking used to molest me had a thing for Betty Boop. So, I mean, I kind of am just like, do we have to, okay, yes, that's a thing. Yeah, so, the little bee for the things, I mean, admittedly kind of cute. It's got little hearts as the holes in there. But yeah, gonna admit, I'm not personally a Betty Boop fan, so there's that. I did not buy the collection because of that. I mean, there were some things in it that, without the branding, I would have liked, but with that branding, I was like, no, nope, tapping out, nope. So, anyways, October was hashtag Discover Yourself month. So, flaunt it. Oh, by the way, this came while I was in Arizona. My sister had hers in her hand by the time I arrived there. So the whole 9 days I was there, I was like, man, I know my Ipsy bag is there at home, and I missed it by like a day. I want to open my Ipsy bag, but I can't, from a distance. If I have my mom do it on FaceTime, I know she's gonna swipe stuff from it, so have to wait. So, the fact that after all that, it is now December, and I'm just now finally freaking opening it, I suck. I really suck. Honestly, it eclipsed itself, and I got the November one, and I kind of forgot about the October one until I realized I never uploaded that. I should do that before I do the November one. Anyways, back to the card. Reading the card. Let's start obsessing over what we love about ourselves. It's time to show off what makes you feel beautiful. Those lips, that skin. And who better than iconic beauty muse and confidence queen Betty Boop to inspire you to flaunt it unapologetically. What? Okay, there's a picture on it if anybody wanted to see. The back says, don't forget the choice is yours. Ah, damn it, I forgot for December to do my choice on it. Oh well. It's time to get personalized on October 23rd. You get to choose one of your glam bag products, and then using our Ipsy Match technology, we'll build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. Now, a thing that I found out by reading the Ipsy subreddit, if you make that choice, they will in fact build the rest of your bag around it. But, in doing that, your personal, like, color choices and such, and your product choices go out the fucking window. So, choose your battles. If none of the, like, 5 things to choose from actually appeal to you as something you really want, skip it. So they will actually still customize your bag to your settings. So just throwing that out there. So I mean, it's probably why for the December bag box, I looked at my preview yesterday, why mine are so catered perfectly to me, because it's the first time since I've been allowed to do the choices, that I've not done it, and oh, look at that. It's actual perfect picks for the most part. Versus the last few months where I'm like, I mean, there's a few cool things, and there's a few where I'm like, I don't know if I'll ever use this, but okay. So, just so you all know, that is a thing you should all be aware of. Okay, getting into this because I'm kind of just babbling. Okay, so here is my little cheat sheet with the info. Oh yeah, I forgot what I got in this one. Actually, this one wasn't too bad for me. Your glam bag products worth $50+ are in place. Give a round of applause for your all-star cast. Here's everything you need to know. Let's just blindly reach around and grab something. This is the BeatleBabe X Ipsy nail polish. It has a little red silhouette there. Does it have a color name? So apparently it's called Little Red Dress. It doesn't say it anywhere on the friggin' box, but apparently it is called... Oh, wait, I take it back. Yes, it does. It says it right there. Kind of blends into it, but apparently, alright, I take it back. It does say it, technically. Alright, let's take a look-see. I am admittedly stoked about that. It is really pretty. We all know how I feel about my red nail polishes, lip colors, things like that. I mean, I have red on right now. I have to redo that pinky though. But, I mean, this is really pretty. I'll probably redo my nails between now and Christmas, and it'll probably be with this guy here. Because that is a really good Christmassy red color, I think. Unless if that sheen that I'm getting off of it, that slightly pinky sheen, means it's going to look magenta-y. I'm hoping it just looks red, though. I want it to look red. I will take it back off if it's not red. Does it say on the bottle that it's a little red? Oh, good, it does. Alright, so even if I ditch the box, it'll still have that. At least the bottle... Well, I was gonna say it just has the B on it, but it does have the name back here on it. So, I mean, at least there's no picture, so I mean, that's less triggery to me, but whatever. So, BeatleBabe X Ipsy... Ipsy. I've been on Neopets too much. BeatleBabe X Ipsy Nail Polish in Little Red Dress. Introducing our limited edition collection in partnership with iconic beauty muse BeatleBabe. We're always on the search for the perfect red nail polish. Truth. So we made one. Try this highly pigmented, shimmery, opaque red for a playful twist on your classic red mani. Tip. Apply a little red dress in 3 swipes, starting on the left of your nail bed, then right, then center, then sweep it across the tip of the nail bed to cap it off with color. That is literally the same tip they give you for any freaking nail polish you get. Just saying. But yeah. So, one thing at a time here. So this is... Wait, it's already open. That's not good. By Benefit. They're real. All I think of is Seinfeld with, they're real and they're spectacular. If you're too young to know the reference, you're too young for me to explain it to you. Just saying. So this is Beyond Mascara. Ooh. Alright. Benefit Cosmetics, their real lengthening mascara in jet black. Perfect. Founded by 2 sisters in San Francisco. Oh, it's local. This quirky brand puts the fun back in makeup without sacrificing any of the quality. This multitasking mascara helps curl, separate, lift, and volumize with staggered bristles that grip your lashes close to the root, coating even the teeniest ones. Tip, hold the wand horizontally and swipe through the length of your lashes, then hold it vertically to target hard-to-reach hairs. That last bit, though, I'm just, like, taking into account how they're explaining that. I'm like, really, though? Okay, that is in French, I think. Yeah. 94% saw dramatic length and volume, 90% saw based tip curl, 94% saw visible lift, 100% saw long-wearing results. Results observed in a consumer panel survey of 31 women after 2 weeks. Now, they have a before and after photo. For once, it might actually be on the same person, even. Because usually I take one look at those and I'm like, that's not even the same person. But this one I think actually maybe. For once. For once! Alright. We'll take a little look-see at it. I'm not putting it on right now. But it's a little mini mascara, but that's cool. I don't mind. Let's look at the wand. Come on, you fucker. Okay. Oh, those are nice bristles. Oh, I like those. They're nice and long. I know it is not really doing justice on camera to how long those bristles are, but Trust me when I tell you that those are some nice freaking bristles. Like, if this gave the pricing like it normally would on the Ipsy cheat sheet, I would potentially buy that in a full size. Potentially. Unless it's costing something stupid. Like, I'm not paying $20 for it, but if it's something reasonable, I would highly consider buying one of that in full size, even just looking at that wand. Like, I can tell already just from that, oh, I'm gonna like this one. So, alright, next product. And this one I was looking forward to and then forgot about, and I'm like, you know, I could really use this right now. I may go use it right after this video. And this is the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. Because my end of my nose, I've tried to cover it up. It's broken out here, it's broken out here, we're broken out here, we're broken out here, I'm broken out here, I'm broken out, well, you can't really see it, I'm broken out here. I'm like, there's a few up here. I'm like, I need some help. So this is with salicylic acid, which is pretty, you know, conventional acne stuff, but Murad Clarifying Cleanser. This powerful gel cleanser is infused with 1.5 encapsulated salicylic acid to combat acne and breakouts immediately and over time. Green tea extract helps calm irritation for clearer, healthier looking skin. The best part is gentle enough for all skin types, even sensitive. Thank you, sweet baby Jesus. I have very sensitive skin, so that's a good thing. Tip, massage a small amount of this cleanser over dampened face and neck. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Definitely will be doing that. This is going to see some heavy use and probably get used up real goddamn fast. Okay, especially if my breakouts keep up like they have been lately. Like, it's that part of the year where I'm just stressed out all of the time over Etsy, and yeah, it's starting to come out on my skin. Oh, here's the thing I'm the most excited for. So this is the Kvoss NYC Lip Treatment in Raspberry. You may remember a year or two ago, I had one in, like, I think strawberry mint, and oh my god, it's still, believe it or not, as tiny as it is, I still have some in it, and I still use it, but, looks are deceiving with it. It takes like a little drop of it, and it's enough for a full application, so it lasts a long-ass time, but oh my god, I still adore that one. That is one of my favorite liquid lip balms. And now I got a second one, but it's in raspberry. And this one's tinted, it looks like. I'm like, ooh. Well, I mean, technically I think the other one was too, but lesser so. But I mean, this is exciting. Oh, it's an even smaller itty bitty tube. Look at it, it's so cute. And these are full size. As tiny as they are, they seem like they should be a sample. Oh no. No, go to their website. This is their full size. Okay, well, it's with sunflower oil and shea butter. This lip balm and gloss contains a luxurious and intensely reparative formula that works on contact to soften roughness, relieve discomfort, and help rejuvenate seriously dry lips. A potent concentration of sunflower seed, vitamin E, and shea butter renews the delicate lip area while strengthening lips' moisture barrier to help prevent further damage. Formulated with Kvoss NYC's unique pigment blend to give your lips a sheen that flatters every skin tone. And it's certified vegan. Very nice. But yeah, I am super stoked over that. You have no freaking clue. So it says on here, this Luxe Lippy has all the nourishing benefits of a lip balm with the shiny finish and subtle sheen of a gloss. This intensely reparative formula works ASAP to soften rough, dry, chapped lips thanks to a blend of sunflower seed oil, vitamin E, and shea butter. Why is this giving me a message off there? Thank you. Tip, swipe this lip treatment onto bare lips throughout the day. Wear it under or over lipstick or alone. I just wear it on its own, honestly. Or at least with the one I've already got, I do. So, but I freaking love this brand. Like, I know it's pricey. I don't know that I would necessarily go out of my way to buy it at the price point. But I mean, if it weren't so pricey, this stuff works freaking wonders. And it's amazing. It's amazing, guys. I love it. Okay, and the last thing in here is the Kaleido Cosmetics Diamond Foils Single Eyeshadow. Curator of Good Vibes. Oh, that's really cute. Let's see here. This is the next evolution in foiled eyeshadows, a buttery talc-free formula that has been saturated with pigments and micro diamond shimmers to give you color, glow, and a cool metallic edge with minimal fallout. That part right there, minimal fallout. Fucking thank you. Rock on. Apply with a brush or fingers, combining the versatile shades to create a sizzling eye look mixed with a wet medium to further increase intensity. Cruelty-free no matter what. Vegan and gluten-free. Nice. And it is in the color Sizzle. So no creasing or patchy shadow here. This buttery talc-free formula blends onto your lids like a dream and doesn't have fallout thanks to pigments and micro diamond shimmers. We're loving the dusty lilac foil finish shade. It looks fab as a sheer wash of color or a full-on smoky eye. Tip, dip your finger into the shadow and press onto your lid. For a more intense look, use a damp shadow brush. Let's open it and look at it. Oh, I'm excited. I feel like I have at least one more by this brand, but I could be mistaken. It could be my mom that has it. Oh, that's hella cute. Okay, first off, it has an itty-bitty little mirror, but I am going to cover that so y'all don't get blinded. But look at it. It has little freaking diamonds in it. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look how cute that is. I almost don't want to mess it up because it's so cute. But oh my gosh. I'm trying to figure out the... Okay, I guess I do see the very subtle lilac. Like, if I hold it at an angle where it's not straight on, reflecting off the light, you can kind of see there's a very subtle lilac in there, but, oh my god, that is so cute. That is so freaking cute. I cannot even right now. Oh my god. Okay, I know, I'm a sucker for cute packaging, but holy shit. Anyways, that is what I got in my October Ipsy Glam bag. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know I am real late to the party, but anyways, better late than never, right? So anyways, that is it for this one. You guys know what to do. If you like this video and you, let's try that again. Like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not already, you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What was your favorite thing that I got this month? What did you get in your October Ipsy bag? Yeah, I know it's been a couple months, but think back real hard. Or just anything about anything, leave it all down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. If you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. And in case nobody's told you yet today and you need to hear it, I love you, and I'm proud of you. See you next time.